them go back.
Four-man change for Carolina. Fresh bodies on the ice for the last 20 seconds.
Motoring ahead is Briere. Lobbed one that's cut right off. Down to the ice went Williams. Followed through now by Roy, who spins. Fitzpatrick drilled it back across. Briere with it. Shoots one off the glove. Score!
There was 6 seconds left on the Wade Minor. The puck was in the air, went over the line by about 5 inches. Prior to that, that man, Williams, was pulled down to the ice. That's the Carolina club thought they were going to clear the puck. Buffalo took advantage of it, able to score, and we are going to the 7th game. They're reviewing it right now to make it official. Here's the play. The puck's in, and right in there is Williams as Briere knocked him down. Now you're going to see Briere on the puck. There's the shot off the glove, and over the line it goes by about 6 inches. And we are going back to Raleigh, off the glove, up and over the shoulder, over the line without question. And it should be a Briere power play goal. Ward finds the puck at the last second off his catching glove. Where is it? There it is, over the line. 7th game in Raleigh, Thursday night, 7:30 Eastern.
Off the glove, down his back, and over the line. Yeah.
Well, Lindy Ruff can get his phone charger.
And his defenseman can get a rest.
Oh, boy, did they need it. Did they need it. They were extended. This was a hard-fought hockey game. Both clubs gave everything they had. Banged up, missing shifts, coming back, playing. Both goaltenders were sensational. The young goaltenders putting on a show, and it took a power play goal for the Buffalo Sabres to extend the series. We are going to Raleigh. Wow.
Ryan Miller was at the same spot at 7 o'clock tonight before the warm-up, thinking about this night. They celebrate this night here in Buffalo, and they will until it becomes tomorrow. The studio coming up after a 2-1 Sabres win.